Grand Rapids is quaint, mostly clear. Will eventually turn mostly sunny. Sunrise just over 30 minutes away, but it is a little cooler here. 27 degrees in Grand Rapids. Just a light wind out of the north and east, enough to make it feel like 22. And the humidity going to be something to watch today because we are expecting dry air with dew points staying in the 20s and temperatures getting into the 60s, so it may lead to that dry fire risk again. 24 Greenville and Big Rapids. We are still seeing these temperatures drop as we get into the 7:30 hour, but once that sun rises, it's going to flip. Winds, again, still light, anywhere from light and variable to just 5 miles per hour, all influenced from the high pressure off to our north and east, keeping us with the easterly flow. Believe it or not, this is, hundreds of miles away. Still our dominant weather pattern with no major systems within hundreds of miles of the West Michigan area, which is great, and it's kept this pattern going. The streak continues 5 days in a row of days at least with 80% or 70% sunshine rather, and we're averaging 86% in that window. 2 more days, today and tomorrow, before the weather pattern starts to change. 62 degrees for an afternoon high today, and the southeast wind stays light. Again, big difference between yesterday and today is a lighter wind, 10 degrees warmer, mostly sunny skies continues. Late Friday night, starting to think this is even trending later than late, if that makes sense. After midnight is when most of the rain and storms will move through. Sunday, secondary moisture brings us wintry mix. Not ideal, but here's the focal point of today is mostly sunny skies, winds gradually shifting southerly. Winds are really going to ramp up Friday morning as this system begins to develop. You can see the strong winds down here in Missouri. That's going to start to move our way Friday evening. We'll see wind gusts upwards of 30 to 40 miles per hour. And then as this line of showers and thunderstorms moves through, potentially 4 a.m., that's when we'll see our strongest wind gusts, maybe upwards of 60 miles per hour. It seems as though wind is our only severe threat here in West Michigan, which is good, but we do run the risk of a few more scattered thunderstorms into the afternoon hours. So Friday night, starting anywhere from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. is kind of our window here with the marginal risk for severe weather, but the worst of it is definitely along the Mississippi River down into St. Louis and then towards Memphis as well. So 2 days of sunshine, first 70-degree day of the season. It's going to feel really warm out there, especially as humidity does start to climb a little as well. And it looks like we could see some decent rain within this system. But again, 70 degrees, the first one of the season. So here's estimated rainfall for Friday night and Saturday. Looks like some downpours may lead to some getting over an inch of rain. And that would be a much needed rain considering how dry we've been. Again, we are in severe drought in parts of West Michigan.